Hello guys, you are once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube videos, please kindly hit the subscribe button and like as well. Alright, if you can remember clearly the last time I uploaded this video, I told you that very soon we can be able to change or use two different WhatsApp accounts in one particular WhatsApp. Alright, let me show you that the update steps. So and enjoy this update. Alright, let me show you how it works. Open application, and yours might be three dots at the top right corner, but mine, as you can see, the updates made my profile to appear instead of that three dots at the top right corner here. Alright, if you want to make your WhatsApp like this, separate chats and everything, as you can see, if you want to separate like this, then I'll make a video very soon on how to do this. So just hit the subscribe button and on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop this update. Alright, back to what we have. Click on these three dots at the top right corner or your profile, and as you can see here, there's an update here that allows you to switch. As you can see, they just click on it, you see that you are allowed to add account. Oh come on, when I realized this thing, I was like, whoa, so this update is now at my doorstep. So open your door and allow this update to make change in your life. Alright, click on add account, then log into another account. That's very easy, as you do on Facebook or on Instagram. Just click on add account, then you'll be allowed to log into your second WhatsApp account just for free. Alright, as you can see, it's add an account. So if you don't want to add account still, then you can still go back by clicking this cancel or close button. Just click on it and go back to your normal WhatsApp. So if you find this video useful, please kindly hit the subscribe button on your notification bell as well, so you get updated when I drop new videos like this. Thank you guys, bye.